In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do payroll with QuickBooks 2026, step by step. We'll walk through setting up payroll, adding employees, running your first pay cycle, paying payroll taxes, and pulling the reports you need. I'll keep it simple and point out key checks so you avoid costly mistakes. First, log into your QuickBooks account and open the payroll section from the left-hand menu. If this is your first time, choose Get Started. Enter your business details, including your legal business name, EIN, address, and required tax information. Make sure these match what the IRS and your state have on file to prevent filing errors and rejected payments. Accuracy here saves a lot of cleanup later. While you're in setup, add your employees. Enter each person's full legal name and address, then choose whether they're salaried or hourly and set the appropriate pay rate. Add their tax information from their W-4 so withholdings are calculated correctly. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, enable it now and add the employee's bank details. Many banks require a brief verification period, so setting this up early keeps your payday on schedule. Before moving on, double-check every tax and pay detail for each employee. Next, keep building your team in payroll. Then employees, select add an employee and fill in the pay rate and the pay schedule you use, like weekly or bi-weekly. Confirm their tax withholding selections, and if you're using direct deposit, include their banking information. Click Save. Consistency between your pay schedule and your company's policy is important, so confirm the first check date and watch out for holidays that might shift processing timelines. When you're ready to run payroll, go to payroll, then run payroll. Pick the correct pay schedule for this cycle. Enter hours for hourly employees, including any overtime, and review salaried amounts. Carefully look over wages, taxes, and any deductions before you submit. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare, and other deductions you've set up. Use the preview to confirm net pay looks right, then click Submit Payroll. If you're using direct deposit, submit early enough to meet processing cutoffs. To handle payroll taxes, open taxes, then payroll tax. Review the amounts due and the due dates. If you have automatic payments enabled, you can click Pay to process them. Depending on your subscription, QuickBooks can also file and pay these taxes for you, but it's still wise to verify everything before the deadlines. Finally, go to Reports to generate what you need. Search for Payroll Summary, payroll details, and the tax liability report, then download or print them. These help with reconciliations,